Smartphones have revolutionized the world of filmmaking, democratizing the process and making it accessible to anyone with a phone in their pocket. Gone are the days when you needed expensive cameras and sophisticated equipment to create high-quality videos. Today, with the right techniques and tools, you can produce professional-looking films using nothing more than your smartphone. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore how to harness the power of your smartphone to create stunning videos. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced filmmaker, you'll find tips and tricks that will elevate your content and help you make the most of your device. Understanding your smartphone camera. The first step in mastering smartphone filmmaking is understanding the capabilities and limitations of your device's camera. Smartphone cameras have come a long way, and modern devices are equipped with features that rival even some professional cameras. Camera specifications: megapixels, sensor size, and aperture. When discussing smartphone cameras, the three most common specifications you'll encounter are megapixels, sensor size, and aperture. Understanding these elements will give you a clearer picture of your camera's capabilities. Megapixels, MP. This refers to the resolution of your camera. The higher the megapixel count, the more detail your images can capture. However, more megapixels don't necessarily mean better quality. It's more about how those pixels are utilized. Sensor size. This is one of the most critical factors in image quality. Larger sensors can capture more light, resulting in better performance in low-light conditions and more detailed images. Smartphones typically have smaller sensors compared to DSLR cameras, which is why understanding lighting is crucial. Aperture measured in f-stops. The aperture controls how much light enters the camera lens. A lower f-stop, e.g. f1.8, means a wider aperture, allowing more light and creating a shallow depth of field, which is great for portraits and artistic shots. Most smartphone cameras have a fixed aperture, but newer models offer variable apertures. The importance of software in smartphone cameras. The hardware in your smartphone is only part of the equation. The software plays a significant role in processing the images and videos you capture. This is why two smartphones with similar specs can produce vastly different results. Image processing algorithms. Each smartphone brand uses its own algorithms to process images. For example, iPhones are known for their natural color reproduction, while Samsung devices might produce more vibrant images. AI enhancements. Modern smartphones come equipped with AI capabilities that automatically adjust settings like exposure, white balance, and focus to optimize your shot. While this can be convenient, it's essential to learn how to control these settings manually for more consistent results. Comparing different smartphone cameras. When choosing a smartphone for filmmaking, it's essential to consider how different models perform. Here's a quick comparison of some of the top smartphone cameras. iPhone. Known for its consistency and reliability, iPhones offer excellent video capabilities, especially in low-light conditions. The latest models include features like cinematic mode, which adds a professional touch to your videos. Samsung Galaxy. Samsung phones are packed with features, including multiple lenses for wide, ultra-wide, and zoom shots. They also offer advanced video stabilization, making them ideal for handheld shooting. Google Pixel. The Pixel line is praised for its computational photography, which uses software to enhance images significantly. If you're looking for a phone that can take great photos with minimal effort, the Pixel is a strong contender. Limitations and how to overcome them. While smartphone cameras are incredibly versatile, they do have limitations, such as smaller sensors and limited optical zoom. Here are some ways to overcome these challenges. Use external lenses. Attachments like wide-angle or telephoto lenses can expand your smartphone's capabilities, allowing you to capture different perspectives. Stabilization tools. To compensate for the lack of built-in stabilization in some phones, use a gimbal or tripod to keep your shots steady. Lighting accessories. Since smartphone cameras often struggle in low light, investing in portable lighting solutions can significantly improve your video quality. Essential gear for smartphone filmmaking. While your smartphone is a powerful tool on its own, investing in additional gear can take your filmmaking to the next level. Here's a look at some essential accessories. Tripods and stabilizers. Tripods. A good tripod is a must-have for any filmmaker. It helps keep your shots steady, especially for static scenes or time lapses. Thank you for watching Visual Wizard.